Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair rose 0.3% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair rose 0.6% in the last session. The Ultimate Oscillator's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The gold-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.2% in the last session. The CCI indicates an overbought market. The oil gained 0.9% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator indicates an overbought market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
U.S. shares rallied as strong bank earnings reports fired up investors' risk appetites, while soaring oil prices climbed yet again, keeping inflation risks alive. Optimism is sky high in the $6.7 trillion exchange-traded fund industry that after nearly a decade, the first U.S. Bitcoin fund could begin trading next week. The dollar edged down against major peers, touching a 10-day low as rising risk appetite put a brake on the safe haven currency's recent rally, while the Aussie and Kiwi dollars gained.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's tertiary industry index will be released at 0430 GMT. The Eurozone's trade balance at 0900 GMT. Finland's gross domestic product at 0500 GMT. The U.S. Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index will be released at 1400 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY-NC net positions at 1930 GMT. The U.S. retail sales at 1230 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.